Indigo lights hum low, a vacant hum. Another late shift, my only one. This front load spinning, a ghost machine, lost in a cycle, a forgotten scene. I confess my sins to the spinning drum, all the unfinished loads that never come. Towels left damp, a lonely white pile, waiting for hands that won't reconcile. Thump, 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 a steady beat building up, can't be beat, like a heart that's still alive in this quiet late night hive. Oh, hold the warmth, hold the hum, hold the soul till kingdom come. In this off-brand sanctuary, a laundromat soft elegy. Hold the spin, the gentle sway, watch the loneliness away. On the bulletin board, a faded square, a wedding shirt receipt beyond repair. Did they forget it? Did they just leave? This place collects what we can't retrieve. A single moth circles the buzzing light, a silent witness in the indigo night. Thump, 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 a steady beat building up, can't be beat, like a heart that's still alive in this quiet late night hive. Soul till kingdom come. In the soft brand sanctuary, a laundromat soft elegy. Hold the spin, the gentle sway, wash the loneliness away. The folding chair rocks a rhythmic sigh, keeping time as the minutes fly. It's a backup choir, a wooden friend to this endless cycle without end. Hold the warmth, hold the warmth, hold the soul till kingdom come. In this soft brand sanctuary, a laundromat soft elegy. Hold the spin, the gentle sway, wash the loneliness away. The moth, the chair, the bulb, the steam, part of this electric dream.